I'm just going to mix these three baby foods up. Now she's just putting Autumn. Oh. Oh my goodness. We had a big diaper explosion. Oh, sweetie, you woke up from your nap. You woke up from your nap, little baby. How was your nap, Autumn? Did you sleep well? Okay, guys, it's time for Autumn's afternoon feeding. It's now 1 p.m. and it's time to give her her meal. Today she's going to have many different baby foods. She's going to have some food that I prepared for her while she was sleeping. She's going to be trying some different baby foods for the first time. So here we have carrots right here. We have sweet potatoes and we have some peas. I'm really excited for the carrots, but we're going to start off with these sweet peas. I wonder if she's going to like it. I personally don't like the peas. And here's the sweet potatoes. This looks so yummy. And here are the carrots. Friends, if you have any kids, do your kids enjoy eating baby foods? If so, what flavor? My favorite was the banana. Okay, baby Autumn, your food is ready. So we're starting off with the peas. By the way, guys, I didn't really feed her this baby food. It's really paint. I made this paint. And I'm not going to put this in her mouth. Don't worry. This is for a role play. So far, she's been doing great with the food. She's been enjoying her sweet potatoes. Now we're going to go in for the carrots. Good job, Autumn. Is that good? You have a little bit more left. Okay, she finished it all up. She did so well. I'm just going to mix these three baby foods up. Good job, Autumn. You did so amazing on your baby food. You must be thirsty, baby. Hold on. I got your water cup right here. Lately, I've been trying to help baby Autumn hold her sippy cup. She's getting there. She's almost ready to hold her own cup. She's be trying. She just tries so hard. You almost got it. Okay, feeding time is now over. So here we are at the jungle gym, playing with her little toys. Also, friends, at daycare, Autumn's been learning how to do tummy time, so here she is learning. I have to turn her head because it looks like her face is suffocating, but her head really doesn't turn, so here I am trying to help her. Also, I want to share with you guys, she's been crawling. Yeah, you saw she did a little crawl. Now she's just Autumn. Autumn, is your tummy okay? Oh my god. Okay, baby, just hold my hand. Autumn, are you okay? Oh. Oh my goodness. We had a big diaper explosion. Oh, that's from all the baby food. Did it get on your back? Yes, it got on your back, baby Autumn. Oh, this is so messy. Oh my goodness, baby. Autumn just thinks this is hilarious, but not mommy. Okay, so I'm going to wipe her all up. I knew she's going to do diarrhea, but guys, not this much. This is everywhere, all over the floor, all over her back and her legs, and all over her little toes. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe her all up. Okay, baby Autumn smells so great and she feels so much better. I'm just going to add some powder on her so she can feel even more good. That was such a big mess. It took about 10 minutes to clean her all up, but I didn't mind. She's a baby and babies tend to get messy, and she was really messy. But yeah, here we are putting powder on her and we have a fresh new diaper. How do you feel, baby Autumn? How do you feel? Did you like your baby food? Do you want to try more in the future? Yeah? Okay. So yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. Bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe.